Hi, I'm Van C, your #1 Razorback fan, and today I have something special. I have something called a Tenorlele. This is an acoustic electric 4-string do-it-yourself box ukulele kit that I got from CB GITTY. Take a look at her. Kind of get some of that detail up there. Yep. And what I did is I made a video showing you how I built it, and at the end I show you what she sounds like, so stay tuned.
This is the Tenorlele acoustic-electric for string DIY box ukulele kit. Boy, that is a mouthful. The box bottom and the two internal braces were glued together using wood glue. The tail piece and the box front were glued into place. The box was then ribbon clamped overnight. The front and back exterior panels were glued into place and 4 screws were installed. The neck brace was inserted into the box assembly and then holes were drilled and 6 screws were inserted into the neck brace. The box long side panels were glued into place and the assembly was ribbon clamped overnight. The main neck piece with the fretboard was glued onto the neck brace and clamped overnight. The output jack was installed and the bottle cap acoustic-electric piezo pickup harness was hot glued to the soundboard. The soundboard was glued into place and secured with ribbon clamps overnight. The fretboard was covered with painter tape. The body and neck were sanded in shape. The body and neck were stained with 3 coats of red mahogany stain. 4 coats of true oil finish were applied. Decals were placed and fixed with 5 coats of crystal clear lacquer. Three pilot holes were drilled and the tail piece was secured using 3 screws. Holes were drilled and the strap buttons were installed. The chrome tuner bushings were carefully tapped into place with a small brass hammer. The tuners were placed through the backside. Holes were drilled and the tuners were secured into place using 2 small screws each. The ukulele was strung and the bridge was placed 17 inches from the very first fret. This is how the completed Tenorlele looks.
Okay, so you saw the video of how I made this baby. Now let's see how she sounds. So I'm going to play it acoustically first, and then we're going to play it on this here CB GITTY amplifier and see what the difference is, okay? So here we go. Alright, now let's hook her up to this here amplifier and see what we get, okay? As you can see, she sounds pretty sweet. So anyway, what I'd like you to do, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. Until next time, bye.